Hey everyone, it's Marlakani here, also known as Java Little Professor. So in today's video, we're gonna be learning the Java modulus operator and why do we use it. And all right, so without further ado, let's get started. All right, guys. So basically, the Java modulus operator is basically used to find the remainder of of a division. So for example, if we do like 10 modulus 2, 10 modulus 7, then the remainder would be 3. So yeah, this is just an example. So now we're basically gonna write it in the code. So alright guys, so first of all we're gonna write int a is equals to, we can write 10, and then we're gonna write int b is equals to, for example, 15. Actually, um let's use our previous example, 10 and 7. Now we're gonna write int remainder is equals to uh the a modulus b. Alright guys, so int remainder is equals to a modulus b. Alright guys, so and then after that we're gonna write system.out.println, and also guys, we're basically gonna write another way of printing the modulus, the I mean the remainder or the result of the division. So basically, this is the first way. So this is the indirect way, and then I'm gonna teach you the direct way. Alright, so A modulus B, and then we're gonna write the remainder is, and then colon, space, plus A, yeah, the remainder is, actually, we're gonna write, yeah, the remainder is plus remainder. Alright, so let's save our code and run it. Alright, so once we've saved our code and ran it, and as you can see guys, the result gave us the remainder is 3. So yeah, so that's because 10 divided by 7, its remainder is like, its remainder is 3. So if we try, for example, 10 divided by 5, its remainder would be 0. Alright, and here's another tip. So for example, if it's an odd number, then you can try doing like, look, 3, and actually, the remainder, for example, for this one, 10 and 7. So for this one, we can do like 10 and 7 to find the remainder, just quickly. So just do 10 minus 7 rather than doing the 10 divided by 7. So if you do 10 minus 7, then yes, it's 3. So yeah. All right. So this was the first way of printing the indirect way, like indirectly the remainder or the result of the division. But now we're gonna print the result like direct. So we're basically gonna remove this and then remove this piece of code, which means the int a is equals to 10 and int b is equals to 7 and remainder is equals to, etc. So we're gonna remove this piece of code, and then inside of the system.out.println, and then inside of the colon, the remainder, I mean outside of the colon, we're gonna write the remainder is, let's use our previous example again, 10 modulus 5. Let's do 10 modulus 5. So once we run it, save and run it, and as you can see, it gave us the remainder is 0. But if we put it inside of the parentheses, it wouldn't change the remainder or the result, like, cause because like Java wouldn't get confused. For example, like in the subtraction or in the addition, he gets confused and concatenates the text with the result, which makes it look weird. But in this situation, just like division and multiplication, So it doesn't like like it isn't obligatory to put the inside of the parentheses. So you can either put without the parentheses to make it look effective, and if you want to write it like faster or make it effective, then yes, you can put it without the parentheses. But if you put it with the parentheses, it will look much better. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. So I hope you like this Java tutorial of modulus operator, like explained easily. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.